If you keep wondering, why is it that after I pay website designers, I paid copywriters, or I write my own copy for my new landing page to promote my new program, why is it that after all these efforts, I still end up with no rankings, no traffic, and ultimately nobody signing up for my program through my website? And I'm going to show you with a tangible example of one of the common SEO mistakes I see a lot of coaches do whenever they create a new landing page. So this is my friend Lena. She's a business coach for female coaches, female service providers. So she's been really excited building this landing page herself. She's been spending weeks writing the copy, the design, and now finally she completed this landing page. And she sent it to me. And obviously I have to put my SEO cap on. I'm looking through my SEO eyes. And right away I can see some of the mistakes that I see a lot of people do when they are building their landing page. One of the common mistakes is the headers, your H1s, your H2s, and then H3s. One good thing that Lena has is like she really knows her target audience from A to Z. She has a lot of data where her dream clients are landing into this page. They are really going to relate to this. She also has great social proof. However, she's not having that conversation with Google with this landing page. When I go into the back end to see how those headings are doing, right away, you're missing a very important element, which is your H1. You only have H2s and 3s. Let me tell you why it's really important to have your H1s and H2s really optimized. We are reading this landing page line by line. The titles, we are able to grasp what this landing page is about. However, when Google starts crawling this landing page, Google looks at your landing pages like this. If I'm Google and I'm going for the first time to this landing page and I'm start reading one, you're missing an H1, so the title of this page, Google doesn't know what is the title of this page. But then Google goes into the next titles. It's just 6 months program, listen body, 6 months program. So it's going one by one, but I can tell right away what are the keywords that are more repetitive, and it's giving me the vibe of what this page is about. And it's about a body 6 months program. So that's how Google is going to categorize this page. So on the side, I did a little bit of keyword research on create offers, because this is what's calling me from your sub-hero text, but also I know you, so I know what the program is about. I just put create offers, and I see a lot of other ways how to create an irresistible offer. And then I see a lot of questions that people are asking on how to create offers, that she can really start leveraging this and adding this over to her landing page. This H2, maybe we can do, let's see, how do I create an irresistible offer? Listen, buddy, if you're anything like me, you've been asking, how do I create an irresistible offer? You see, I play with the keywords like this, where I just keep your tone of voice, your branding, but I just plug in the target keyword. So I know her target audience is coaches, female coaches, and service provider. Create offer for coaches. I came up with another set of keywords in here. Look at this. This is calling you. And you know what I mean. I would take this. I would take this phrase, duplicate the social proof, and move it a little bit up and just add a question that I found on Google and just made this my H2. You can even add 1 or 2 sentences, and then the social proof is basically telling them this is how it looks like. My clients can tell you how those created an irresistible offer looks like. And you don't have to put your main target keyword on all the H2s. Add your target keyword at least 3 times. Then you can add some related keywords on other H2s. And you can also leave some of this, like without any target keyword. The examples that I gave you plus the H1 that you're adding, you're already targeting your main keyword 3 times. Another extra tip that I will give you is your hero image. It seems that this text, this sentence in here is added in your image. I will change that. Re-upload this image without this text and just add the text through your website, because you have target keywords in here. Like I showed you, Google is not getting that information in here. So now the recommendation is Please add your H1, really important. Do not miss your H1 on any of your landing pages. Do keyword research and then have that conversation with Google throughout your headings, your target keyword, related keywords. And 3, re-upload the image and save it with a title, and just apply the quick tips I gave you. And I'm pretty sure after you make these changes, then Google is going to place this landing page into the right category, and you're going to start seeing some rankings and some traffic. So hope this helps. And for anyone out there that wants me to audit her website and give you some tips on how to improve your landing page, put your website in the comments, or send your website, or send it through the DMs, and I'll make a video for you. Let me know in the comments what do you think, and let me know if you're also making the same mistakes. See you, amiga. Bye.